Yep. Welcome back to the channel. We got another unboxing, an exciting one today. Actually received this a while back from my AD, and it's been in the closet, just waiting for the right time to unbox it for everybody, and decided that tonight is the night, or this evening is this evening. So, little preview of what we're gonna be opening here. I'm wearing my yellow gold green dial Daytona for this unboxing, known as the John Mayer after the second episode of Talking Watches that he did, and now discontinued watch. And today we're going to be opening a complimentary watch of sorts, and that is this rose gold with diamond marker Daytona. Wow, that is gorgeous. Look at that guy. So immediate, obviously seeing the rose gold versus the yellow. The rose gold is just gorgeous. And the diamond square markers, and on the 3 and the 9 and the 6 you can see the Arabic numbers. No room for the diamonds and the subdials, so that adds a real different look to it when you compare it to I don't know if we can throw it on the wrist next to the John Mayer. You can see it versus the marks here, kind of consistent throughout the watch, and here broken up with the Arabics at the 3, 6, and 9. But the lighting kind of makes the rose gold look a little more muted, I think, than it is. Doesn't really do it justice. The rose gold from Rolex is just really, really awesome. In the camera, it looks almost a little bit more white gold than it is in person. But that watch really pops. You got the black subdials with the rose gold outer rings, and with those diamonds, just, man. Obviously with the diamonds, puts it in a kind of different class of when maybe you'd wear the watch, but then again, you're talking about a all precious metal Rolex Daytona anyway, so I don't know, maybe it doesn't really matter if you're gonna wear it. You might as well go big. But and obviously with the black dial, and really neat watch. That is a awesome add to the Daytona collection here. And as always, oyster bracelet, same deployment clasp, no different than the 5mm adjustment in here that some people tend to forget about, which is a really nice handy feature to have when you're out or your wrist swells up. Nice to have it. So that is a beautiful watch. Really appreciate the opportunity to buy it, and this is one that will be in my collection for a while. As always, thank you for following the channel, and remember to like and subscribe, and look forward to your comments below. Have a great day.